I'm Jacob Marshall. I'm a toolmaker apprentice for Combined Engineering Services based in Ebervale. On a day-to-day basis, I will operate CNC milling machines and CNC lathes. One big benefit of an apprenticeship for me was earning while you're learning. Get to qualify up to HNC at the moment and get paid while doing it.
I've seen a lot of apprentices in my time, and Jacob is undoubtedly the best of those. He's impressed everyone who works here, and he's certainly a key person in this company going forward.
When I have completed my apprenticeship, I would like to stay employed at Combined Engineering Services and become an integral part of the company as a whole. When I was told I was a finalist, I was shocked at first, but also proud of the hard work and dedication I put into to my work and my apprenticeship.
I'm Katie Trembath and I'm a Carbon Reduction Officer with Rhondda and Taff County Borough Council. My main role is supporting in the strategic initiatives in delivering on the Council's target of being a carbon neutral organisation by 2030. As an apprentice, I've had such great support and mentorship from my team, from my line manager John Arroyo, the corporate project manager Rosie Collins and our graduate coordinators in RCT.
Katie has been a pleasure to work with. She's dedicated, she's keen, and working in energy it's been a godsend to have her.
As part of my apprenticeship, I've received such great training from ALS Learning, where I've been completing a level 4 in project management. When I was told I was a finalist, I was absolutely delighted. I was really pleased to have even been nominated for this award, and it means a lot to me. I've put in a lot of hard work to get to this point already, and it's just nice to show the hard work does pay off. When I finish my apprenticeship, I will be continuing my position with RCT. I've been lucky enough to secure a permanent position as a Carbon Reduction Officer.
Enw fi di Helen Roberts a dwi'n Account Executive yn Undeb Meithrin Cymru. Un o'r pethau dwi wedi plesio mwy amdan fel canlyniad o'r apprenticeship ydy fy swydd newydd fel Account Executive. Mae'r hyfforddiant yn yr apprenticeship yn gret, mae ALS yn rhoi lot o gymorth i ni i cyflwyno'r apprenticeship, mae'r dosbarthiadau dyn ni'n cael yn gret, a mae FUW yn rhoi lot o amser i ni i fynd i cyflwyno'r apprenticeship yn ystod amser gwaith sy'n llawer o help.
I've been really impressed with Heledd and her general work ethic within the company. She's a real asset to FUW.
Pryd nes i darganfod bod fi wedi cael fy enwebu amdan yr Apprenticeship Awards, o'n i anghyffredadwy ddweud gwir. Oedd o'n rili neis i Gareth, treino fi, rhoi enw fi ymlaen. Dwi wedi gweithio hefo fo am flynyddoedd, so oedd hynny'n onor yn ei hun, ond y ffaith bod fi wedi cael ei shortlistio yn amazing.